Hello, beginning alto saxophone players. The purpose of this video is to help you master the skills on page 6. But before we do that, check your G. Do it again. Then your D, as in dandy, dandy D. Do it again. Once we've got the G and the D solid, then we're going to do all 6 letters so far. You should have these memorized in order. If you don't, do them 10 times every single day until you can do them backwards, forwards, with your eyes closed, and standing on your head. Wink, wink. I go G, you go G. Next. So let's try that same pattern backwards. 2 heartbeats each. 2 heartbeats each. E, D, C. 2 heartbeats each. All together. Here we E. So now page number 6. The exercises that I'm asking you to fully learn are the ones with the circles around them. The extra credit ones have the question marks. So for example, number 21 at the top of the page, that probably has a question mark, but it's still valuable. Snappy fingers. So it's just saying, can you go crisply? G, A. So like 21, the first part of 21 would be. Are you tonguing? And do you have snappy fingers? The second part, crisp. Try it. The third part, be precise. Is your tongue and your fingers totally together? So now, moving on page 6, we will be using breath marks. Those comma things, those are going to be extremely important because those will divide our songs into phrases or pieces. So if you're really paying close attention, you'll see it's a trombone book, but I'm just going to use it to point to the first phrase. That first set of letters, the first phrase. Say 'em, here we go. G, G, D, D, E, E, D. If you need to stop and study those letters, pause the video, do it right now. Otherwise, play the first phrase. Here we go. How was it? Did you get lost? Can you do that 3 times in a row with no oopses? Pause the video. Find out. Phrase number 2. It's going to go breath mark to breath mark. Say the letters, extra credit if you do letters plus fingers. C, C, B, B, A, G. If you're doing this for the first time or even the second or third time, you should be reading the notes. Second phrase, here we go. did 2 phrases, we did 2 pieces. Now, put those 2 pieces together. If you can do them both by themselves, put them together. Here we go. Beginners, please, please, please go by phrases. So next is the 3rd phrase. See if you can do that phrase by itself 3 times in a row. That doesn't just tell me you practiced till you got it right. Then you can't get it wrong. If you just go and you don't piece it apart, you're gonna snowball. So do each individual piece. 3rd phrase, say it, go. D, D, C, C, B, B, A. Play it, here we go. Again, 3 times in a row, no oopses. So at this point, it's kind of up to you. You can do that much all together so far, or do each other piece by itself and then put them together. As long as when you're done, it sounds like Twinkle Twinkle. So I'm going to fast forward and just do the whole thing. Here we go. 3 times in a row, no oopses. Maybe the first day you'll have to do it like 5 or 6 times, but by day number 4, I bet you're gonna get it. It gets easier with practice. Number 23, it's raining, it's pouring. Again, do the phrases, do the pieces. So the first phrase is the beginning until the first breath mark. Say it, go. D, D, B, E, D, B. You should probably pause this video and do that again slowly. Then let's play the first phrase of 23. Here we go. Pause the video, do it a few more times. By now, I'm going to trust that you know my method. You should pause the video and do the same thing with the other phrases. I'm only going to do the last phrase with you. Here we go. D, C, B, A, B, G. Ooh, that last B tricks ya. Go slow. Here we D. Pause the video. See how many times you can do it. Maybe you can do it 5 times with no oopses. Number 23. Put it together. Ready, set, go. Beginners, song number 23 has 4 phrases, here, 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 and here. One of these phrases, I think, is much simpler than the other ones. Can you figure out which phrase, the first, second, third, or fourth, is the least complicated? Number 24 is writing and the counting. This is middle school style counting, like 1, 2, 3, 4. We're just going to count up. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See if you can figure out the counting of number 24, middle school style. If this video helped you with page 6, please let me know. Did it go too fast? Too slow? What else do you think might help you in the future? Thanks for watching, beginners.